Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft connection Timeout Getsockopt error. This error usually happens because of DNS issue, blocked network connection, or firewall setting, preventing Minecraft from connecting properly. First, just go to your Windows search bar and type CMD and run it as an administrator. And after that, in the command prompt, just go ahead and type the following command. Just type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. This clears your DNS cache and refreshes your network connection. After that, just go ahead and close the command prompt window. And now go to your Start menu once again and search for Control Panel. And open the Control Panel and make sure the View By is set to Large Icon. And from here, just go to Network and Sharing Center. Now here, just go ahead and choose your internet connection. In my case, it's going to be Wi-Fi. Now just click on Properties. Now scroll down until you find Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties and make sure to use the following. DNS server address is toggled on and set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4 and click on OK and click on Close. Now just close this window and go to the Start menu once again and let's go and search for Windows Security and open it. Here, go to Firewall and Network Protection and go to Allow an app through Firewall. Now just click on Change Settings here and just go ahead and locate your Minecraft. And as for me, it is not visible, but once the Minecraft is visible, just go ahead and toggle on Private and Public and just go ahead and locate your Java TM and make sure it is also toggled on for Private and Public and just click on OK. Now, the simple rule is blocked network settings or DNS problem usually causes Getsockopt error. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft Getsockopt error by flushing DNS, changing DNS server, and allowing Minecraft and Java through Windows Firewall. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.